What should they do if they lose some data from the internal memory of the Android device? In fact, this is what we will show you in this video. We will tell you how to recover data from Android phone memory with ease. Part 1. Is it possible to recover data from phone memory for Android? Avoid excessive restarts post-deletion. Immediately stop phone usage to prevent overwriting. Act swiftly with reliable recovery software. Regularly back up your device. Part 2. How to recover data from Android phone memory easiest way. Here, you can try Mobiconductor for Android with its Mac version for free. It is an all-round Android data recovery software that can recover almost all files from the phone memory and even on the external memory card. Step 1. Run the program and connect your Android phone. Step 2. Preview and select files from recovery. Step 3. Start the data recovery from phone memory. By the way, if you need to recover lost data from Android SD card directly, you can go to SD card recovery tab from the top menu, mount the SD card to the computer, and then Doctor for Android will start to scan an SD card and restore the lost data for you. Part 3. How to recover data from Android phone internal memory advanced way. Step 1. Make an image for your Android internal memory. Step 2. Convert your RAW file to VAAHDADAAAAAAAAHE format. Step 3. Use this file as a virtual disk on Windows computer. Step 4. Start the phone memory recovery for Android.